Hello everyone, I am Roshni from the Department of Computer Application. In this presentation, let's discuss about Decision Support System in MIS. DSS is nothing but an information system that aids business and decision-making processes. It assists the mid and high-level management of an organization by analyzing huge volumes of unstructured data and accumulates information that can help to solve problems and helps in decision-making. It is either human-powered or automated or combination of both. It is just an example that how DSS helps in analyzing the data and in decision making. The purpose of DSS are it produces detailed information reports by gathering and analyzing data. DSS is used by the planning departments like managers and mainly in sales projection for inventory and operation related data and to present information to customers in an easy to understand manner. Theoretically, DSS can be employed in various knowledge domains from an organization to forest management and medical field. One of the main application is real-time reporting. It can be very helpful to take part in just-in-time JIT inventory management that prevents delay in production and cause a negative domino effect. Components of DSS are model management system, user interface and knowledge base. Model management system stores models that managers can use in their decision making regarding financial health of the organization and forecasting demand for goods and service. User interface helps the end user to navigate through the system. Knowledge base includes information from internal source and external source. 5 types of DSS: communication driven, model driven, knowledge driven, document driven, and data driven. Communication driven. It allows companies to support tasks that require more than one person to work. Example, MS SharePoint, Workspace, and Google Docs. Model driven. Allows access to and the management of financial, organizational, and statistical models. Data is collected and the parameters are determined using information provided by users. Example, Dicodes. An open source model driven DSS. Knowledge driven provides factual and specialized solution to situations using store facts, procedures, rules, or flowcharts. Document driven manages unstructured information in different electronic formats. Data driven helps companies to store and analyze internal and external data. Advantages of DSS are it increases the speed and efficiency of decision making activities as it can collect and analyze real time data. It promotes training as specific skills must be developed to implement and run a DSS within an organization. It automates monotonous managerial processes, which means more of the manager's time can be spent on decision making. It improves interpersonal communication within the organization. Disadvantages of DSS are the cost to develop and implement a DSS is a huge capital investment. Managers tend to rely on the system too much, which takes away the subjectivity aspect of decision making, as a company can develop a dependence on a DSS as it improves efficiency and speed of decision making processes. A DSS may lead to information overload because an information system tends to consider all aspects of a problem, creating a dilemma for end users as they are left with multiple choices. Implementation of DSS can cause fear and backlash from lower level employees as they are not comfortable with new technology and are afraid of losing their jobs to technology. Users of DSS are terminal mode, clerk mode, subscription mode, intermediary mode. Terminal mode. Decision maker is the direct user of the system through online access. Clerk mode. The decision maker uses the system directly but offline, preparing input on a coding form. Subscription mode. The decision maker receives reports that are generated automatically on regular basis. Intermediary mode. The decision maker uses the system through intermediaries who perform the analysis and interpret and report the results. The 2 types of intermediaries reflecting different types of support for the manager are expert tool user, staff assistant or staff analyst. Role of DSS in MIS are decisions may be routine and programmed while others may be strategic non-programmed. It involves the packages which helps the managers to take right and timely decisions and decision making is done at all management. The basic characteristic of the DSS are based on some tool technique or model. They are used for testing new alternatives, training and learning and sensing the various parameters of the model. It uses data for general MIS. MIS designer has to look for all such situations and design the DSS for integration in the system. The MIS would become more useful if the decision making is made person independent and executed with well-designed DSS. All such embedded systems cover the normal variety of decision situations. If anything outside the considered variety crops up, DSS will bring to the notice of the decision makers that action is called for in this situation. DSS software. More and more decision support systems are offered under a SaaS, software as a service model, web-based hosted on the cloud, meaning that can be accessed with a simple web browser. Benefits of DSS software are reduced decision cycle time, enhanced workforce effectiveness and productivity, improved communication and collaboration among decision makers, easy sharing facts and ideas, facilitated learning of new concepts and development of a better understanding of the business and decision making environment, increased organizational control. Features of DSS software: flexible and adaptable KPI dashboards with real time data displayed on actionable charts. Advanced calculations across different databases by means of an easy to use drag and drop interface. Easy online reporting with scheduling function and sharing dashboards via URL. Building queries with no proper SQL knowledge or IT capability required. Incredibly quick and responsive database integration in less than 10 minutes. Optional secure data warehousing on powerful servers to guarantee fast data processing. Thank you for watching the video.